Hello students. So today I'm going to kind of walk you through how we're going to develop our online course in a website called Moodle Cloud. Moodle is a learning management system much like Brightspace, Blackboard, Canvas. One thing that's cool about Moodle is it's free and that you can actually use it over and over and update content. So hopefully when you develop your course in Moodle, you can use the content and the features for future use. That is my hope for as one of the goals for this class. So first thing you do, go to moodlecloud.com. Moodle Cloud is really interesting because the website Moodle hosts your LMS in the cloud. That means your data is always there, it's always backed up. You don't have to, you can save backups, which I do, but you don't have to necessarily save backups on your computer because Moodle is always going to be backing it up. What's great about Moodle Cloud too is that it's accessible from any device. So if you want to access your web page or your class from your phone, that's fine, a tablet, fine. The library, if your internet goes out at home, you can access it there, you can access it at school. It's always there because it's hosted on a cloud site. It's not like in a computer server, so to speak. Okay, so go to Moodle Cloud. You're going to hit Get Started for Free, and you're going to see several options. We're just going to use the free package because that's all we need for this class. So you hit Get Started. So here's where you're going to create a new account. I'm not going to do this for you right now because I already have an account, and I'm not going to do that. As you go through, you're just going to use your email and you're going to create a password, basically. It's also going to ask you to come up with some type of web address name for your website. You can name it whatever you want. I don't really care. They'll send you an email confirmation. After you get your email confirmation, which I'll show you what mine looks like, right here it says Welcome to Moodle Cloud, and it says here's my site address. It says to log in, use the username admin and then your password. So don't try to use like your email or something like that to log in. You're just going to use the name admin. So what I'm going to do is copy this and paste it into my browser. I called mine SED443. I had already logged in, so there I am. I'm logged in. Here's my test course. Okay. There's also an introductory course right here. So I'm going to click into my course. Notice I have some different weeks set up. You can set this up however you like. You can add participants. Right over here is a place where you can go to the dashboard. The dashboard gives a course overview. It just kind of gives some different events, files, stuff like that. Some people like to do that. You can switch your role to manager, teacher. You can see what it looks like as a student. Whatever role you are interested in looking. Site administration. This takes you to a lot of settings of how you may want to set up your page. Notice you have mobile settings. This may be very handy in the future. One thing that I wanted to show you is right here, turn editing on. Turn editing on allows you to start changing things in your class and adding activities. That turn editing on is found in this little settings button right here. Okay, you can also turn it off if you just want to view what your course looks like. So those are just some basic instructions about how to get started on your Moodle page. I'm not going to go into a lot about adding activities and resources because I want you guys to figure a lot of that out on your own. If you get stuck, you can always go to Google and do something like, type in something like this, how to add a quiz in Moodle Cloud. And what's amazing is many YouTube videos. You will also find, if you like to read, Moodle has so many docs out there that has exactly how to do things. So we're not going to cover a lot of how to create this course as much as what needs to be in the course in our SED 554 course that you're in, because creating learning management systems and online technology is far less about how to do it and more about the whys we're doing it and what to include and how to create activities and get from point A to point B. So I'm not going to bog you down with a lot of, how do you create a quiz? Here's a 5-minute video about that. I'm going to let you guys figure that out for yourselves. Always feel free to ask questions if you have any questions about anything, and good luck.